Okay, this is the balloons game. I was rather proud of this actually. Yeah, I am still quite proud of this game. I like it a lot. I'll give you the code for this, of course. In the meantime, I'll let me put this blue screen. Now, what you've got here is, let's put this full screen. You have got a time limit of 60 seconds. Okay, if I was to do that and then start again, it'll be when I start again, it'll be 60 seconds. The balloons will rise from the bottom to the top in random order and random size and random speed as well. Notice the speed is on the there. Oh no, hold on, no, forgive me. The speed gets faster over time. Sorry, it's not random. It eventually stays on 7, but it goes faster after every 10 or 20 seconds. I can't remember how I set it now. You've got a little focus here is the spotlight. What's it called? The scope. That's it. Now what you do, you use that, and what I've done is this area here. This is pink. Now this is a specific color. This isn't any other color in on this program. This is the only part where it's pink, and essentially your balloon's got to be within the pink range, so you can't be sort of there. It won't burst the balloon. The balloons, it's got to be within that range there in the balloon. So it's that's how I've got it to do it. So yeah, you've got 60 seconds. Of course, you can change that. Now, the one thing to bear in mind in this though, you get a score. You get a plus point once you hit a balloon. Fine, that's you might think it's quite easy, but if you have a missed shot, you get -1, and you've got to be careful. Now the controls are the mouse to control the scope and the space bar to fire. But I will warn you that when you fire, just make sure you don't hold the space button down too long, or it will register more than one shot. So just tap the space bar. Anyway, I'll play it. I'll stop talking and I'll play the file for you. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm sure I'm going to miss any second now, so you see what happens. See the points at the bottom. Oh, there you go. Go. 14. Oh, see, I was on 15, 16. Oh, yeah, it's getting hard now. Yeah. See, it's not perfect, but it's quite good, and it's actually quite a fun little game. Because you can play with your mates and you can work out how many points, you can play for how many points you get in that minute, and it's not as easy as it looks. I'll give you a tip: use the scope higher up. That's a better tip, which I forgot. There we go. Time up. I got to level speed 13, which that's obviously the maximum speed it would get to, and I scored a points total of 18. Which is good. Anything in the positive rather than the negative figures is good. So yes, I'm rather proud of that game, and I will send this along with the scratch file with the coding, as well as the tutorial in PDF format.